welcome back to my channel. Today's topic, determination of composition complex method of continuous variation by the Jobs method. What is Jobs method? Now they explain about the composition of complex with the help of Jobs method. This method is based on spectroscopy method, change in observation of system on a complex formation. Method based on a spectroscopic method, change in absorbance of system on a complex formation. This method is used to determine the composition of complex and is mainly used for solution where only one complex is formed. Procedure. Now we started about procedure. Prepare 10 solution of the complex containing metal ion and ligand is such preparation that the total volume of each solution is 10 ml. You know that about what is complex. Complex containing metal ion and ligand. Okay. Now the procedure. Prepare 10 solution of the complex containing metal ion and ligand is such as preparation that the total volume of each solution is at 10 ml. Now we take our 10 test tube. We fill with solution number 1, 2, 3 to 10. Volume of metal ion is ml 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We show now that. We can see that volume of metal ions ml 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 test tube. Okay. And volume of the ligand ml 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is we can see that the test tube in a different colors, light and dark. That is show a number of ligand and metal ions. Concentration of ligand solution is Cl. Okay. Concentration of metal ion solution is Cm. Concentration of solution is C, constant. Sum of Cl and Cm is a constant, only their ratio. Cl ratio and Cm are changed. Cl plus Cm equals to C. This is first equation. We say explain the width. Okay, Cl ratio Cm equals, okay, first Cl plus Cm equals to C. This is the first equation. Okay. Determine the absorption optical density of the solution with the help of spectrophotometer at such a wavelength of light that the complex absorb strongly and metal ion and ligand do not. Okay. Now third point is draw a group of between mole fraction of ligand and absorption optical density. Mole fraction of ligand Mf equals to Cl upon C. If the formula of complex is mln, then okay, now if a mf equals to Cl upon C, means fraction of ligand equals to Cl upon C. If the formula of complex is mln, then the n equals to Cl upon C m. This is second equation. थर्ड, डिवाइड बोथ साइड ऑफ इक्वेशन 1n बाय c. तो c से हम बोथ इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करेंगे तो Cl अपॉन सी प्लस Cm अपॉन सी इक्वल्स टू C1 अपॉन सी. तो ये तो देखिए आप कट गया, तो क्या बचा 1. दिस इज थर्ड इक्वेशन. ओके, आई एम ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज Cl and Cm and C. Okay. Now the graph between absorption and mole fraction. We can see that absorbance and mole fraction, point of maximum absorbance at which is Mf equals to Cl upon C. We know that Mf equals to Cl upon C. So or Cl upon C equals to Mf. This is fourth equation. From equation third and fourth, तो Mf प्लस Cm अपॉन C. जैसे थर्ड इक्वेशन में अपन ने यहाँ पे क्या किया था, Cl अपॉन C था, तो उसकी जगह पर हमने Mf कर दिया. तो Mf प्लस Cm अपॉन C इक्वल्स टू 1. नाउ Cmf अपॉन C इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस Mf. दिस इज फिफ्थ इक्वेशन. डिवाइडिंग इक्वेशन 4 बाय इक्वेशन 5. the Cl upon Cm, Cl upon C into C upon Cm equals to Mf upon 1 minus Mf. This is the equation. Okay, now the sixth equation, we can see that. Okay, now from the value of n as given by equation 6, we can determine the composition of the complex MLN. Limitation: this method can be used when only one complex is formed under the experimental condition. This method is used when there is no change in the total volume of the solution containing metal ions and ligands. This is a Jobs method. You can also say that method of continuous variation in a composition of complex. You know that about the complex and what is complex. Okay, now though we can already explain the what is CM. Okay, Cl ligand solution concentration, Cm is a concentration of metal ion, and C is a concentration of solution. Cl plus Cm equals to C. Now this is equation first, and we already said explain about this method. Okay, now if you like this video, like and subscribe and share. Bye bye. Thank you.